So hey there, welcome to Travelers Backpacker. Hope you guys are doing well. So sorry guys, I couldn't do more videos since last week because I'm a bit busy with my work actually. So I gotta go to airport and come back. It's like a lot of things going on. And guys, so myself Nikhil over here, as you guys know, if you're new to my channel, Travelers Backpacker, please do go ahead and like, share and subscribe guys. And please do share the videos across your friends and families, so that they also gain the information about the new travel updates towards United States of America. So, and do follow me on Instagram and Facebook guys, and the links are given in the description where you guys can go ahead and check out my pages over there. Alright guys, so today mainly we are going to discuss about the 10 countries which is allowing Indians to transit through them, or else you can go to the third country and quarantine yourself and you can travel either to Canada, or else you can travel to United States of America. So this is what all about, and many people also ask me about the travel packages. So guys, we are going to also look onto it in the further videos, and also we are going to talk about the immigration policies, what you need to follow before getting into the third country. Alright guys, so let's don't delay. I'm not going to delay anything, so let's get into the journey right away. So there, I guess you guys are more excited to know about the visa updates or the immigration updates to travel towards United States of America. And there, here comes the 10 more countries that are accepting visa application for Indian passport holders guys. So these countries might help you to quarantine yourself over there and go to United States or Canada. So let's get into the information, and the information whatever I'm going to give it to you right now is also available on the visa updates website. Okay, so there comes the 10 more countries, and let's see what country and what category of visa holders can travel. And guys, whichever country I'm getting the vaccination report, I'm going to also let you know about it. But apart from the countries which I'm not having any other information, I hope you guys understand it. You can go online, and also you can rely on CDC website and check for the option to travel from the third country. Is it restricted to other third country? I mean, if you're going to Croatia, if you want to travel from Croatia to United States, is Croatia restricted to enter into United States or no? You got to also look onto that. So all this travel advisory will be available on US Travel Updates. Each and every country details are given over there. But I'm going to brief you the good news, where the 10 countries which are accepting visa application for Indian passport holders. First comes Croatia guys. Visa category opened a tourist and business visa. And the second comes Switzerland. They're also accepting tourist and business visa guys. And UAE is also accepting tourist and business visa holders. And coming to a small information over here, all the transit passengers stopping at Dubai International Airport for minimum of 5 hours are allowed to obtain 96 hours Dubai visa to go on a city tour of Dubai. So guys, as you know, there is a transit visa which will be given to you, but only if you have certain countries visa on your passport, then only you are allowed to get transit visa over there. For the transit visa information, you go to directly visit on UAE tourist visa or UAE travel visa.it. You get the complete information over there. And the next country comes Saudi Arabia. Visa categories are open for business, family visits, residents and employers. So they keep in mind guys. And Bangladesh is also open. Visa categories opens are employment visa, A3 category, E1 category, F3 category. Okay guys. And the next is Morocco. Visa category is only open for business visa holders, or else if anybody is looking for business visa, you can definitely apply for it. So they are accepting the application. So Iceland. So Iceland has certain rules and regulation guys. So before applying or filling up your application, I would recommend you to directly coordinate with VFS Global, so that you get the complete information over there. And these applications are only accepted in the 3 cities in India. One city is in Mumbai. Center is open only on Monday from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Okay, Mumbai center open every Monday from 8 a.m. until 2 p.m. for Iceland visa. And next comes Bengaluru. Every Monday Wednesday and Friday. Okay, it is open from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. So you can drop your applications over there around like 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. After filling up, you might be getting your appointment dates and everything. And Kolkata is accepting every day. Every Monday. So guys, please get complete information on visa.vfsglobal.com. Okay, you get the complete information about the travel advisory also to this country, to the final country where you're going to visit. And next comes is Norway. So Norway, actually they started accepting the applications, but not sure whether it's only a tourist business or a student or something like that. But it is better to directly visit, visa.vfsglobal.com. And Norway also, the applications are accepted in only 2 cities. One is in Mumbai and one is in Bengaluru. Mumbai, every Wednesday from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. you can drop your applications over there. And Bengaluru, every Monday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Bengaluru, every Monday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. This is for Norway, guys. Okay, the next comes the Netherlands. So actually Netherlands have sort of rules and regulations and everything, guys. So there is COVID-19 to be presented, there is some vaccination declaration needed to be presented with the visa application. For more details, please do visit visa.vfsglobe.com. You get the complete information over there. And next comes is Canada. So guys, Canada has something written over here. So let me read it out for you directly. So direct flights from India are suspended until July 21st, 2021. But from July 5th, 2021, Canada Visa Application Center has started the passport submission services in a phased manner. Customers who have completed their two-way courier process prior to lockdown contacted by VFS Globe by email. As per the directives of High Commission of Canada, only biometric appointments are available for all the visa category from June 28th onwards. Starting from July 5th, traveler must submit their vaccination status and the supporting documents in English or French. If it's in French, guys, make sure you also get it translated. Certificate needed to be translated. So you get the complete information about the translation and all the foreign affairs things on the vfsglobe.com. So you can get the complete information about whichever country you would like to go ahead. You get the complete information over there. But if you would like to really want to know about the complete things, you can definitely contact me. I'm here to help you out. Whatever information I can give you, I'll definitely give you out. And one more thing, guys, full vaccinated travelers are allowed to enter Canada, maybe exempt from federal quota, federal quarantine or something like that. So fully vaccinated travelers allowed to enter Canada may be exempt from federal quarantine and day 8 testing starting July 5th. Okay, only vaccination approved by the government of Canada will be accepted. So guys, there are many countries, many European countries now, the news came in the sense like they've been stating that Covishield is actually accepted. So if you guys are actually willing to go ahead and take any kind of vaccination also, make sure Covishield is one of the vaccination which is like recognized across the world. Now even European sectors are also allowing Indians to travel with COVID-19 vaccine, Covishield vaccination. Okay guys, so the information whatever I've given you is all about the countries which are open right now and which Indians are allowed to travel. So next thing is like you people be asking, do you have a travel packages for these countries? So guys, for your information, I don't have any packages as of now because the country just opened, because there are particular rules and regulation where the external affairs and their external affairs, the two country external affairs which they're going to sign. Okay, in case of any emergency, what would be the second scenario? Once you get the second scenario option, then only the tourism department will be opening up the booking for all the people so that I can give you all the information about it. As of now, Maldives is open. We do have normal package to Maldives, and we also have transit through Maldives to Canada. You got the point, right? So as of now, I have a package to Canada transiting through Maldives. So there is a quarantine packages and everything. And quarantine package towards United States of America, I will definitely give you guys. Just be patient as of now because the rates are very high in the market. Because I'm actually inquiring on it. I'm actually looking out for a lot of information from other countries also. If I'm getting any packages from other countries also, I'll definitely get you the information and I'll pass on to you guys, so that by till that time I hope you guys understand the situation as of now. The patience is required. And one more thing what I would like to say is like, be positive, you know. You just keep your mind negative, you are going to, you know, just get the negative effects here and there. But doesn't matter, guys, the situation is like that. I hope each one of us are struggling. Actually, each one of us are struggling. Just it's a time, just relax, enjoy with your family, stay positive, stay strong. So there, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you got a lot of information, whatever you required. If at all, if you think that you didn't get any information about what you are looking out for, you can definitely contact me. My contact numbers and the contact details are given in the description. You can definitely contact me. If I'm not responding, if I'm not picking up the call, I'll definitely call you back, guys. Think that I'll be busy over there. So I hope you understand the situation of mine too. So because I need to follow up a lot of the rules and regulation as per the YouTube guidelines also, guys. So that's why I'm not able to pitch any rates or anything over here. But I do have certain packages which are available, and I can give you the information as of now. If you're well and good, if you would like to go with the package, you can definitely come call me and get the bookings done immediately on immediate basis, or else sometimes it might take time, because due to the availability, we got to also check the availability. If at all there is available, yes, definitely you get the packages confirmed for you. So anyhow, guys, thank you so much for watching my travel vlog over here. So if you're new to my channel, Travelers Backpacker, please do go ahead and like, share and subscribe, and also do press on the like button, and also share to your friends so that they also get the information what they require. And also to press on the bell icon, and also press on the all button over there, so that the new video of mine will be given to your device, guys. So as a notification, you're going to receive that. And please do follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Till that, bye bye. I myself, Nikhil over here, signing off from Hyderabad, India.